Okay, going to do a real quick test to show you how to test any standard or manual transmission to see if the clutch is any good. This one's brand new, but this is how you'll test it. It's really simple. It works for any standard or manual transmission. It doesn't work for an automatic. So what you're going to do is start off from a dead stop like you normally would. Slowly accelerate. First gear, second gear. I'm getting ready to shift to third. I'm going to put it in fourth or fifth and hammer the gas all the way to the floor. If your tachometer rises rapidly, not relative to your speed, that means that your clutch is slipping. If it just sits there and bogs, doesn't want to accelerate, doesn't want to go faster, then the clutch is nice and good, nice and tight, and it's holding tight to the transmission and the engine together nice and tightly. Thanks for watching. That's it.